I need help on installing feit electricity 3-way dimmer model number 72307. I have issue identifying which wires are the traveler and the common. The direction/instruction that came in the package did not help much. I tried connecting the red and white wires from the switch to the black common, then it popped the breaker and the switch was really hot. Should I try installing black to black now? Can I still use the same switch or is it fried already?
Hi, I'm Mike G and I'll be assisting you. Check the other switch. The wires on the gold screws are the travelers. Tell me either the color of the leads on the timer or the identification of the terminals on its back.
Hi Mike G. There are no gold screws on the switch. I attached the pictures of the switch, front and back, also the wires that came out the wall.
Do you have a 2-wire voltage tester? You need to identify the travelers from the other switch. Your new dimmers will connect the travelers to the red wires and the common to the black wire. Tell me the colors of the wires on the other 3-way switch.
Okay, I will give it a try soon and let you know. Thanks.
Very good.
The wires on the other 3-way switch are the same one. I purchased a few of this feit electric 3-way dimmer switch, but only tried one so far. PLSC picture attached.
Not the dimmer. I need to know what colors are on the other switch.
The other switch have 2 black wires which only one-way poles switch.
There is a misunderstanding. You're installing a 3-way dimmer and there needs to be another 3-way switch elsewhere. A single pole switch can't be used as a 3-way. The switch mentioned should be across the room.
Hi, yes, sorry about that. I have been trying to figure this out all day. PLS find the photo number 1319 attached for the other end of 3-way switch. It's the 3 wires on the left. I used the voltage tester and found out that one of the switch, photo number 1320 attached, the top 2 wires, black and white which circled in red, both has electricity running through it. Black is the common wire and white should be the neutral where should not have electricity running through it. Another confusing thing is I did not connect the white wire to the power source on the other end yet. The 2 wires, circled in blue, is the feed to the other 3-way switch that I was having issue with. Maybe that is why it doesn't work. Do you have any suggestion what I need to do to fix this?
White wires on 3-way switches are not neutrals, they are being used as hot or switch to hot depending on the installer. With all wires separated, test for a hot to ground and let me know the color.
It seems the cause of the problem on 3-way switches is because the problem on the feed source. Picture number 1319 is the other end of 3-way switches, and also the power source. The black wire has electricity and white doesn't, but when I check the next switch, picture number 1320, both black and white have electricity. So 1319 feed 1320, 1320 feed 1301, 1300. Have you seen issue like this before?
You have an identification problem. Whites are sometimes used as hot. This should have been marked with black tape. White in a box may read hot due to their use as a neutral and not being connected to the feed neutral back to the panel. When a circuit has a hot in use and the neutral is not connected along the circuit, it will show voltage from the circuit looking for a connection back to the panel completing the circuit. Seen that all the time.
I need to connect the white, neutral, to the panel, correct?
Could be or not. Need to verify all wires in the box. You should have noted all connection before removing devices. At this point I think I'll opt out due to the extent of time needed to bring you to the end. Good luck. Stand by for possible being picked up by another expert. Hello, I have been looking at your case. You've got quite the mess there. You will need to remove your light fixtures that these switches control and check to see what Romex cables come into with them and test them there too. With power off you can test with your multimeter on ohms, with audible ring, by wire nutting connections together and testing to see which ones ring together at your switch boxes. When you find a cable that rings together, remove it at the end that you wire nutted together and test again to verify it is the right set. They will not ring after separating. If you could draw a map of your layout, what rooms and walls the switches and lights are in/on and upload it here. Did you have 3 light switches that controlled one light or set of lights?
Okay, I can draw a layout. Like I describing on the previous message, it seems that I found the cause for why the 3-way switch is not working. The feed source neutral wire also have electricity running in it, even now I haven't connected them to the power source yet. It seems that I might have short somewhere, but I am not sure where.
Okay, and did you have 3 light switches controlling the same light?
It control 1 lights. I was supposed to install the 3-way switches on living room and the master bedroom to control the outside deck light, 1 light only.
Okay, I will wait for the drawing. Can you label the switch locations with the number of the pictures you uploaded?
I ended up getting help from professional. Issue had been fixed. Thanks.
Okay. Glad you got it fixed. Thanks for the rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.